Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a regular ass market scan. It is summer now. These summer months are slow, dead, sluggish, red more than 50% of the time for me. So we'll see what happens with them. Maybe there's something exciting. I mean, the beginning of previous month was really good. I hit my monthly max. And since it's the 1st of July, I can trade myself again. So let's get into it. Let's have a look at headline risk. All right, so starting out here on Bloomberg, you can see that Hormuz slowly opening again. We've seen the oil price drop. That is significant for us. Also, we're seeing the European Central Bank views splinter on next rate move. That creates volatility because now that oil prices are finally coming down again, the uncertainty about those rate hikes becomes more prevalent among the board members. We're going to see that probably become more prevalent as time goes on as well, which could create volatility for us, especially USD linked pairs, which is good because we need something during summer. Everyone's on vacation now. The market does, there are months off in the markets. So, I mean, if you got money, I would recommend hopping on your private jet, go to Dubai, rent like a villa that's like $30,000 a day, get a yacht, maybe do some skydiving, that type of stuff. But beyond that, if not, you can hang out with me. We can trade and see what's going on. So big bet, yeah, bullshit. I'm not even fucked to read it. No, it's nothing. Same uptrend. Don't need to even paint it today. Absolutely nothing has changed. Same for the dollar index, except that now it is finally broken through that line I drew like a year ago now. Historically, the dollar index moves quite a lot, but as of late, I mean, the dollar, shit, it hasn't moved much. There we go. So, because we got the wick there. But let's hope the dollar index starts moving again. That would be some volatility. Now let's get to the pairs that I posted. So here there was potential for a continuation. This one never really materialized because the indecision candle here is so poor, so shit, that I would just disregard that. Fuck all happened with Bitcoin either. It's just plunging up and down. If you guys remember my video, if you watched a few of my videos, I told you guys there would be a lot of consolidating movement during summer like this. Here though, there seems to be a continuation that has formed, so you can now open a potential for a short here. Don't be aggressive with your R because you don't know what kind of lows you are working with here. You have to go back in time. I don't trust these old levels. The older they are, the less reliable they are, bro. I mean, yeah, it does have a double. You always want to go with the newest info. So that right there would be the potential trade. You can also enter this one on the 12-hour. It doesn't really make a difference for this pair. Fucking piece of shit. There we go. Something like that. And I would actually this one is pretty interesting. Yeah, I might enter this one, but I'm not gonna do more than a 1.5. If I do, I'm gonna get an order in for that one. As for this trade right here, I was hoping it would go all the way up, but seems that it's gonna rearrange. The range in itself is repugnant as well, so I think we can just take it out and go through everything. Yeah, so if you caught this, you caught this. If you didn't, you didn't. There's nothing to do with that now. Let's see. Yeah, that's very interesting. That one could be ready really soon because the candle just opened and it's already moving down like that. So if my editor edits and get this, I can get this one out pretty quick. Get this one posted to you guys. The range here is all sloppy. Should look something like this, but you can't really. Yeah, I moved past it. God damn boy. This one just has to range for itself again. Rearrange. This I can see this going down. Yep. Mm-hmm. You're correct. You did spot that correctly. Okay. Consolidation like that. That's great. Cross pair though. So we're gonna have to pass on some of the GBP ones. Fucking told you guys. I fucking told you guys. No one can say I didn't. I made money off of that. See if gold is bottomed out yet. Or if it's single touches because it's gold, and then nah, bro. Like it was that overbought. Like really, like that overbought. But now it's probably oversold, so it's gonna have a pretty hefty rebound when it actually does. It always goes that way. After panic, or sorry, FOMO buying, it's followed by panic selling too. I don't know why people invest like that. If you buy gold, you're not buying it to just sell it if it drops in price. I mean, you know intrinsically that it's going to go up in value over time. So why are you fucking around? Like, I don't understand people that buy SPY I too. SPY as well. Then when SPY drops a little bit, they sell. When it starts going up again, they buy. I've never, since I was like 13, I've never understood those people. Like, are you planning, like, when do you need this money? Then why are you selling? It might go further down. Then buy some more. You can get your average price down. What are you doing? I never understood it. I think it's a trading or that's investing psychology type thing. I was built for this though, so don't know nothing else. So with this one right here, we do have the potential for a BO. You guys can see that it's been consolidated on the zone as well. It's not going to be a super aggressive one most likely, but you can put your targets in if this new candle starts approaching these new highs from previous. But keep the sell-offs tight to the SR area, so it's not going to be a long trade. Here, it's very obvious that potential for a CR. I can see it forming right now. It's on these previous levels as well, but we need it all the way up here for it to be a valid one. And the same here. I wouldn't go for BL because of the 200-day MA. And that is all I've got for today. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you very soon. Very soon. Sooner than you'll think. Keep that in mind. All right. Thank you guys, and bye-bye.